Bonjour chers amis, welcome to Step by Step French Part 5. Kindly watch the previous videos, by all means previous parts, because this series is constructed step by step and I'm sure you will understand if you watch the previous videos and you will start speaking French within no time. Do you want or will you please? This particular handle is expressed as voulez-vous in French. Do you want or will you please is called voulez-vous. Do you want to speak French with me or will you speak French with me? These things are expressed. How do you say them in French? Voulez-vous parler français avec moi? Voulez-vous parler français avec moi? To come in French is called venir. Venir. Will you come with me? How do you say it in French? Will you come with me? Think for a while and give your answer. Voulez-vous venir avec moi? Voulez-vous venir avec moi? To eat in French is called manger. Manger. Will you eat or do you eat? How do you say it in French? Voulez-vous manger? Voulez-vous manger? Will you come eat with me? How do you say it in French? Think for a while and give me the answer. Will you come eat with me? Voulez-vous venir manger avec moi? Voulez-vous venir manger avec moi? To come in French is called, you know that, venir. Venir. To go in French is called aller. Aller. Will you go eat with me? How do you say it in French? Will you go eat with me? Voulez-vous aller manger avec moi? Voulez-vous aller manger avec moi? Where in French is called où. Où. Where do you want to go? How do you say it in French? Où voulez-vous aller? Où voulez-vous aller? Where do you want to go eat? Where do you want to go and eat, or where do you want to go and eat? Où voulez-vous aller manger? Où voulez-vous aller manger?